same guy. Oh, there you go. There you go. Right in. There it is. Let them have it out. So, that same homeless guy that tried to attack me the other week when I was doing my photography is the one getting his ass beaten right now. Oh, he's turning the tides. He's turning the tides. Oh, he's flipping. He's dodging. Oh, he kicked. The guy with the stick is the guy that tried to assault me. And that's in all favor. That's what you get, man. Going around here picking on people. So these folks should be very careful walking down the sidewalk. Oh, my panda. Another fight here in Central Park. Right here in the heart of the city.